Tell me why this crocodile is so
Landag pa
special.
sa labas.
Told you. Him dreaming crocodile, that one. You not get him that numb and worry. Him proper owl. Him smart.
Sarap ng cake.
Like old people.
Ang nagluto.
From way
Yung
upstate.
palablab ko. Yan o.
His own bill of
Tingnan mo. Tapos di pakain. Nandun pa sa... Nandito pa yung iba guys. Ginawa niya na cake. Ayun guys. Ayun. Sarap. Yan ang ibang style din yun. Gawa ng cake dito sa Bahamas. Yan guys.
Kills others when still in trouble.
Sarap.
Wala pa yan icing.
Wala pa to icing daw. Gabi na dito sa Bahamas guys. Gabi na.
Nanay,
Gabi na dito sa Bahamas.
ang bita-bitiwan mo isin. Kaya hindi ko naman isunod sa magikas. BPI gali. Ang imo nga BPI account isend ka na kaya hindi magsilod sa Gcash.
Gabi na dito sa Bahamas guys. Tingnan mo guys oh. Yan guys, gabi dito ngayon. Hmm. 7:30 na ng gabi. So guys, luto na guys. Kainan na. With Coke, Coca-Cola.
Pepper sauce. I've got the menu. We have tonight's special on the record over there. I hope you enjoy your evening.
Ayan na guys. Kaso init pa.
Sarap na init eh.
I'm not hungry, have they?
Ayun na. Pangit.
Hey, gang, Joe, still around?
I'll be around longer than you, mate.
Good on you, mate. Take it easy.
Ito na. Kainan na with Coca-Cola. Ito, ibang style. Ito,
Cupcake.
cupcake. Ito, cake. Cake. With cokes. Itong loto. My love will see you through.
Sure.
With watching movies. Dito sa Nassau, Bahamas. Gabi na. Kaya na lang.
Yan sa
Harap.
patayin.
Tayo na.